Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new chapter. The name of that chapter is Types of Software, Chapter 2. But before starting this chapter, I want to tell you about computer first. I know that we have already studied about computer, but today we will give a short revision on computer. What is computer? A computer can be defined as an electronic device which processes data under program control to generate meaningful information. Okay, and the main part of the job of the computer is to run program. You can say that the main part of the job of computer is to run programs. Okay. Now, students, we know that a computer system consists of two main parts. And what are the two main parts? The two main parts of the computer are, first one is software and another one is hardware. You can say that the two main parts of the computer are software and hardware. What is hardware? The part of computer which we can touch, feel and see with our eyes are called hardware. Okay, the part of the computer which we can touch, feel and see with our eyes are called hardware. Okay, hardware refers to many physical component of computer. In today's computer industry, a wide variety of hardware components are available for microcomputers. And the hardware components of microcomputers can be classified into following types. And what are the types? First one is input device, second is output, then storage, secondary storage, then next is internal component. These are the hardware components for microcomputer only. You can see in this image, this is the image of hardware. Now students, come to the first one is output device. What is that output device? The device that a computer used to show the result of processing are called output device. The device that a computer used to show the result of processing are called output device. And some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone. These are the some output device. Next is input device. The device that we use to enter data and give instruction to a computer are called input device. Means student, with the help of input device we can enter our data in computer system. And some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joysticks. These are the input device in computer. Input device are used to input data, informations and instructions into the RAM. And we may classify these devices into two categories. And what are the two categories? First is the basic input device and second is special input device. In basic input device, we can say that in basic input device keyboard and mouse, and in special input device we have scanner, microphone and joysticks. Okay, means the device that is used to enter data or instruction in the computer are called input device. Now come to the software. Software, the parts of the computer which we can touch with our hands are called software. Means the parts of the computer which we cannot touch with our hands are called software. Okay, and you can also say that software is a collection or set of programs designed to carry out special tasks such as word processing, database management, etc. And some examples of software are Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, calculator. These all are our software. Means software is a collection or set of programs designed to carry out special tasks such as word processing and database management, etc. And software program is the program that makes the physical computer perform specific task by the nature of their functioning. Software can be divided into two categories. And what are that two categories? The two categories of softwares are, first one is system software and another one is application software. The software can be divided into two categories. First one is system software and another one is application software. Students, in next class we will discuss about system software and application software. Now write down your homework. Your homework is, first, what is hardware? Give two examples. And second question is, what is software? Give two examples. What is hardware? The part of the computer which we can touch, feel and see with our eyes are the hardware. And examples of hardware are, you may write. And what is software? Software is a collection or set of programs designed to carry out special tasks such as word processing, database management, etc. And you have to write the examples of this software and example of the hardware also. Thank you.